going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to go over a new platform I came across called LeadSleep. It provides different leads from different sources. Alright, so now we're going to go to the dashboard here, right? And you can now build your own funnels. You could build your own autoresponder inside LeadSleep. It has social reviews that you could write your own reviews as well. Alright, but the main feature I've been using so far is the ads. Okay, so posting ads. So you could do it for free, but with the free version you have to accumulate credits by clicking on other people's ads, or you could do the pro version like I did. Okay, which is not that expensive. All right, so what we're gonna do now is go to PostPro Ads, and I'll give you a quick tutorial. So far, to show you how easy and simple this is, I have 83 total visits to all of my ads. All right, and I joined yesterday. Okay, so I just joined yesterday, and this is the results I have. All right, now let's see here. If you go down to my ads, so for this one, which is text by AI, I have 21 visits already, and as you can see, the date since 2020 9/29, which is today or late yesterday I joined. So this is another one. I put complete task get paid, right? 34 visits, and I'll show you. Actually, I'm already starting to have results with that. I'll show you that in a couple minutes. And then this one, new social media platform I joined, I already have 28 visits since I posted that ad. All right, now let me go over to the results already with this, just by joining yesterday. All right, and this is one of the programs I'm in. And let me just do a refresh right now to show you this is real. All of this traffic is coming from LeadSleep. All right, now if I go over again, more traffic from LeadSleep. All right, and these aren't bots, these aren't fake, these are unique views and actual like real leads that I'm getting that will eventually convert into sales to my business. All right, let me go back over here. And also you could build landing pages now. So let's go over that. Right, and this is one of the landing pages I've built so far. You don't necessarily, with this program, you don't necessarily have to build a landing page. You could just, like I said, you could add your link. If you don't have any like an autoresponder, it has a free autoresponder built into the program, so you could use that one. But if you don't have like email follow-up list or anything like that, you could just go back to well, say if you're free, you don't really have any money, just go to post credit ads, and then you could add new ad. All right, you could add your URL here. You could add your title. You add the text. You add your image. Okay, and so you put the category that best describes your ad. Put the optional link, and or optional link to your social review, and you just hit save and submit. That's for free members, and you could get just amount of traffic as pro members, but you have to surf different ads and stuff like that to accumulate points. Now, if you're interested, just click on the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a good day.